how to turn on or turn off maximum restrictions for auto block on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now here, so scroll down and click on auto block. So after click on auto block, so turn on auto block. So after turn on auto block, you will see maximum restriction is here, so click on maximum restriction. So if you want to turn on maximum restriction, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see maximum restriction is turn on. So if you want to turn off maximum restrictions, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see maximum restriction is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off maximum restrictions from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off maximum restriction for auto block on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.